Okay, next I'm going to show you about editing your contact information page. So once you are again back on the main page, and to get back here, you can click under options. I guess we're already on there, but once you go into contact page, if you want to go back to this main page, you can always click here and go to project manager, and that will list all your pages that you have set up. Okay, now that we're on this page, you can put your information here, so you can put your information, contact me, whatever you want on here. This is basically set up the way you need to. Again, this box up here at the top, whatever you type, again, click Save Changes. Now, this is already set up for somebody to fill in this information, but what you're going to need to do is click on the form properties, this little cogwheel right there, and you're going to need to put your email address. So I'm going to assume that maybe this is the email. Okay, and then you could put whatever you want their subject to be standard if you want to put something there, and then make sure you also put the email again there. You don't need to do anything here. I don't think there's anything file options that you need right here. Confirmation message, you could put like thank you, your message has been sent, or something like that. So once that if you want to add that little protection bot so you don't get, spam messages, you can click that. If you want them to open links in new windows, you can always click that. But make sure you put that information in there, and then click apply, and that will be set up. So what you can do, if you want to preview this, click on this preview button, and you can see what the page will look like. So when they come and sign, this is maybe I'm asking about a kid in my class. I'm going to fill out the information, and they will put their email address. So make sure I add mine right there, and they can make their comments. How is my child doing? And then they would have to do the little validation code, and then when they click send message, that will go, you will get an email so that they can contact you. So you don't have to actually put your email there, it'll automatically be sent to you. So now I'm going to go back here to design mode, and that's the basics. There's not a whole lot you need to do here other than make sure that you get that first email and form information filled out correctly, and then you will start getting those contacts. So make sure you apply once you're done, and that's it. That's how you set up the Contact Me page.